Ever wondered about the rich and aromatic flavors of Moroccan cuisine? A journey through Morocco's culinary landscape is an adventure into a world of spices, textures, and traditions. Unlike anything you've tasted before, Moroccan cuisine is a testament to the country's rich cultural history and diverse influences. It's an intricate tapestry woven with threads of Arab, Berber, and French flavors, among others. Each dish tells a story, a narrative of the people and their relationship with the land. Today we're going to focus on a particularly fascinating dish, the tagine. Named after the earthenware pot it's cooked in, tagine is a slow-cooked stew that perfectly encapsulates the essence of Moroccan cuisine. It's a symphony of flavors, from sweet to savory, all melded together in a pot of slow-cooked perfection. So are you ready to embark on this culinary journey? Stay tuned as we unravel the history and preparation of this delightful Moroccan dish. Imagine a time when Berber tribes roamed the Moroccan landscapes. A time when the art of cooking was a tapestry woven with threads of survival, tradition, and exploration. This was the cradle of Moroccan cuisine, a cuisine that, like the country itself, is rich in history and diversity. The Berbers, indigenous people of North Africa, laid the foundation of Moroccan cuisine. Their simple yet hearty meals consisted mainly of barley, wheat, and meat, often cooked in a tagine, an earthenware pot that has become a symbol for Moroccan cooking. But the cuisine we know today didn't stop evolving with the Berbers. No, it was just getting started. As ancient trade routes opened Morocco to the world, so did they open the world to Moroccan cuisine. Traders, travelers, and invaders alike brought with them new ingredients, techniques, and flavors. Phoenicians introduced olives and olive oil. Romans, they brought their love for wine and viticulture. Arabs swept in with a wave of new spices, saffron from Persia, cinnamon from Ceylon, and peppercorns from India. And let's not forget the sweet oranges from China, brought by the Moors. Even the New World had its influence, introducing tomatoes, potatoes, and chili peppers to Moroccan shores. Each of these influences left an indelible mark on Moroccan cuisine, transforming it into a vibrant medley of flavors and textures. The Berbers' simple wheat and meat began to dance with aromatic spices, tangy citrus, and sweet fruits. The result? A traditional dish that's a symphony for the senses. But this dish is more than just a meal. It's a testament to Morocco's resilience and adaptability. It's a culinary narrative telling a tale of a country that absorbed a multitude of influences yet maintained its unique identity. Each ingredient, each spice tells a story of a journey, of a connection formed, of a change embraced. And thus, the foundation for our dish was set, but the story doesn't end here. This is merely the beginning of our journey into the heart of Moroccan cuisine. Hold on to your taste buds, for they are in for a treat. Fast forward to the medieval times, where Moroccan cuisine experienced a culinary revolution. During this period, the Moroccan food scene was subject to a fascinating blend of Arab and Moorish influences. These influences were not just a simple exchange of recipes, but a profound culinary fusion that transformed the Moroccan dish we're exploring today. The Arabs, who had a deep-rooted love for spices, introduced an array of exotic seasonings to Moroccan cuisine. They brought in cloves, cinnamon, ginger, and saffron, not just for their rich flavors, but also for their medicinal properties. The result was an enchanting blend of aromas and flavors that set the stage for the evolution of our dish. The Moors, on the other hand, brought with them the art of slow cooking. This method of preparation, known as tagine, involves simmering ingredients at a low heat over a long period. This allows the flavors to meld together, creating a dish that is greater than the sum of its parts. The tagine, both the cooking method and the earthenware pot it's named after, became a signature of Moroccan cuisine. Our dish, too, began to benefit from this slow, loving method of cooking, gaining depth and complexity in its flavors. New ingredients also made their way into the dish during this time. Olives from the abundant groves of Morocco, lemons preserved in salt, and the sweet, smoky flavor of paprika. All these started to feature in the recipe, transforming it with each addition. The dish was no longer a simple meal. It was a symphony of flavors, each note perfectly balanced with the next. It was a reflection of the rich cultural heritage of Morocco, a testament to the centuries of culinary influences that had shaped it. Our dish has now taken a more recognizable form, but it's not yet the dish we know and love today. As centuries passed, our dish continued to evolve, adapting to the changing times. As we journey into the modern era, the Moroccan culinary scene has experienced a remarkable transformation. with our traditional dish at the heart of it all. The modernization of Moroccan cuisine is a fascinating dance of tradition and innovation. It's like watching a master artist at work, blending the old with the new, the familiar with the exotic, creating a canvas of flavors that is both comforting and exciting. Let's take a moment to appreciate how modern cooking techniques have breathed fresh life into our dish. Sous vide, for instance, a French technique where food is vacuum sealed and cooked in a water bath at a precise temperature, has been embraced by Moroccan chefs to ensure that the meat in our dish is cooked to perfection, tender and full of flavor. And then there's the introduction of global ingredients. With the world at our fingertips, our dish has welcomed a host of flavors from across the globe. Japanese miso, for example, has found its way into the spice blend, adding an umami depth that elevates the dish to new heights. Or consider the addition of Peruvian quinoa, a nutritious grain that provides a delightful crunch, adding a new textural dimension to our dish. Yet in the midst of all these changes, the essence of our dish remains. The soul of Moroccan cuisine, the warm spices, the slow-cooked meats, the communal sharing, is still very much alive. It's a testament to the resilience of our culinary heritage, a heritage that has not only survived but thrived in this modern era. On the other hand, the modern era has also seen the dish move beyond the borders of Morocco. Today, you can find our dish in high-end restaurants in New York, in street food stalls in London, and in home kitchens in Sydney. It's a global phenomenon, a culinary ambassador of Moroccan culture. And with these changes, our dish finally becomes the culinary masterpiece we enjoy today. Now that we've traced the journey of our dish, it's time to get into the kitchen. Let's set the stage. Imagine a bustling Moroccan kitchen, the air filled with the tantalizing aroma of spices, the sizzle of simmering pots, and the clatter of utensils. Our dish begins with the simplest of ingredients, each one a thread in the rich tapestry of Moroccan cuisine. First, we gather our spices: cumin, coriander, saffron, and paprika. These are the heart of Moroccan flavors, each one lending a unique note to the symphony of taste. Then we have our vegetables: fresh tomatoes, bell peppers, and zucchini, each one contributing a vibrant burst of color and a distinct texture to the dish. Now we turn to the protein. Traditionally, this dish features either tender lamb or chicken, marinated in a blend of the aforementioned spices, garlic, and lemon juice. This marinade imparts a depth of flavor that is truly mouth-watering. The magic of the dish truly begins with the cooking process. In the spirit of tradition, we use a tagine, a conical earthenware pot that has been a staple in Moroccan kitchens for centuries. The unique shape of the tagine allows for slow, even cooking, which melds the flavors together beautifully. We start by sautéing onions in olive oil until they're soft and translucent. Then we add our marinated meat, browning it to seal in the juices. Once the meat is browned, we add our vegetables, layering them over the meat, and finally, we sprinkle our spices evenly over the top. A splash of water, a tight lid, and our dish is left to simmer and stew, allowing the flavors to dance and intermingle. As time passes, the aroma fills the kitchen, a sensory preview of the hearty, flavorful dish that awaits. The vegetables soften, the meat becomes tender, and the spices infuse every bite. And voila, that's how you make this traditional Moroccan dish. The result is a culinary masterpiece, a testament to the rich history and diverse flavors of Moroccan cuisine, a dish that promises more than just a meal, but a journey through the ages, a taste of Morocco on a plate. From the ancient Berbers to the modern kitchen, this dish truly encapsulates the essence of Moroccan cuisine. This culinary journey has taken us through time, tracing the roots of this dish back to its humble beginnings. Just like Morocco itself, the dish has evolved, absorbing influences from various cultures and eras, yet always retaining its unique identity. The preparation of the dish, as we've seen, is as much a ritual as it is a recipe. It's a testament to the Moroccan people's love for their food, their culture, and their history. This dish, with its rich blend of flavors and textures, is a symbol of the country's diverse cultural heritage. It's not just a meal, it's a story of tradition, evolution, and a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Moroccan people. So the next time you savor this dish, remember the centuries of history and evolution that have gone into every bite.